From the QA Archive. Introduction to QA. Testing Principles. Testing Principles. Testing principles are guidelines derived from the collective experience of professional software testers over many years. They are not formal standards but rather practical lessons learned through real-world practice. While most experienced testers are familiar with these principles, the way they apply them can vary. Consider this list as a high-level set of general software testing guidelines that can be adapted to fit the needs of a typical testing process.
Principle 1. Testing reveals defects, not perfection. Testing helps uncover bugs, but it can't guarantee that the system is completely error-free. Example: an online registration form works correctly during testing. After release, a user enters emojis in the name field and the system fails. Testing didn't cover that scenario.
Principle 2. Complete testing is not practical. It's impossible to test every input, path, and condition in most real-world systems. Example: a calculator app accepts millions of number combinations. Instead of testing every possibility, testers check representative values like 0, negative numbers, and very large numbers.
Principle 3. Start testing as early as possible. Finding issues early prevents bigger problems later in development. Example: if a requirement incorrectly states free shipping over $50 instead of $75, correcting it during the planning stage is simple. Fixing it after launch may require code updates and customer refunds.
Principle 4. Most defects are found in few areas. Certain parts of a system tend to contain more defects than others. Example: in a school management system, most errors occur in the grading calculation module, while attendance tracking works smoothly. Extra attention should be given to grading logic.
Principle 5. Repeating the same tests loses effectiveness. Running identical test cases repeatedly will eventually stop discovering new bugs. Example: if testers always check password validation using simple inputs, they may miss issues related to long strings, special symbols, or copy-paste errors. Updating test cases helps uncover hidden problems.
Principle 6. Testing methods depend on the project. Different systems require different testing strategies depending on their purpose and risk level. Example: a healthcare system requires strict accuracy and security checks, while a social media app may prioritize usability and performance.
Principle 7. A bug-free system may still fail. Software can meet technical requirements yet fail to satisfy user expectations. Example: a travel booking website works perfectly but has a confusing interface. Users struggle to complete bookings, even though no technical defects exist. End of lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe.